When most people think oats, they think sweet. But today we're going savory. This is a warm, comforting bowl that feels like breakfast, but grounded. You'll need rolled oats, vegetable broth, mushrooms, spinach or kale, garlic, olive oil, salt, and black pepper. Cooking oats in broth changes everything. Bring your vegetable broth to a gentle simmer. Then stir in the oats and let them cook until creamy. In a skillet, add about 1 teaspoon of olive oil and cook your sliced cremini mushrooms until they start to brown. Once the mushrooms look golden at the edges, sprinkle in the garlic and give it a quick stir just until it softens. Add the spinach last and let it soften just until it turns bright green and tender. You want it wilted, but still fresh and vibrant. Spoon the creamy oats into your bowl. This is your warm, savory base. Top with the mushrooms and greens for that rich, savory finish that turns simple oats into something special. This is what I call breakfast done right. For the full recipe, check out the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.